Welcome to the third in the series of Architecting a Very Smart Controller. In this series, we're going to be focusing primarily upon the mobile applications. So the design considerations, once again, it needs to be simple. We've already created the REST API in the controller. It must be secured, so we have to be careful to make sure we're not opening any gross security holes by doing something silly. A review of the API, once again, these were developed down in the controller layer. They're available for us to use. The code may be found up in the GitHub repository. So let's do a demo. Let's start with the iOS device. We'll run it under a simulator. In the background you can see the logs coming in from the controller. So we can begin to see what's hitting. So we can just run this through its basics. As we apply temperature, we can see that the temperature will respond. There is a 10-second delay, but it does respond. Now we can just set a date, set the time, set the delay for the motion, set the temperature, and we're good to set it. It worked, so we have a set point. So let's go take a look at the Android version. Very similar, uses the exact same API calls, works almost identically. Again, the API calls that it's calling to the thermostat are the same. So just same thing about set points. When do we want it? The look and feel is different because it is Android and there's different widgets to choose from. So as we set our date and time, we'll set the delay time, and we'll go ahead and submit this. So the thermal event was sent. The controller is now set to turn on to the correct time at the temperature. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions are always welcome.